So you bought it in Carlisle?
Yes.
What was the backstory behind it?
This guy bought it and he changed the motor out. So that's the motor that was put in it. And that's all the dyno for it.
So 350, 360. Yeah, 358 horsepower.
355, 350 horse.
Oh, 355? Yeah.
So it was bored out a little?
I guess, according to that.
Right.
Yeah. Torque 409. Has it got a cam in it?
It has a mild cam. And you know, when I saw it, I fell in love with it right away.
The color is beautiful.
It is a nice blue.
Got a body straight on it. 717, so black interior. Norwood plant.
Told me that he changed out the radiator. It was bigger,
Okay.
so it would handle the motor. Because you said the other radiator wouldn't have, would have been warm.
You want to fire it up?
Sure. Huh?
Sounds real healthy.
I'll tell you, it's crazy. I own a Chevelle 396, and I step on it and it goes. This thing, you step on it, and it wants to go sideways.
Is that Chevelle for sale?
No. My son's, I bought this for my son. I had the Chevelle. I decided to sell the Chevelle. My son said, I want the Chevelle. Sell the Camaro.
What year Chevelle?
69 SS.
Nice.
And him and I built the motor.
What kind of motor you got?
It's a 396, but it's pushing out close to 400 horse.
Nice.
Sounds real healthy. Nice 4-speed car here. She's rolling. I didn't even realize it was a 4-speed.
Really?
Yeah. That's when we rolled up on it.
She's pretty quiet on the engine bay too.
What was that?
Pretty quiet on the engine. Like I don't hear any tick-in, nothing like that.
Oh, she sounds real good. Carpet's in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. I got this extra tack here. I don't like the shifter. Some people love it. No horn. Let's see if the turn signals work.
Definitely a slower pace of life.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Right? So the front one works, back one doesn't. More horn. Alright guys, so going on a test drive on the 68 Camaro. It's a 4-speed 350. Power steering, manual brakes. Beautiful blue color. It's got the white stripe on it. 350 SS badging. Doesn't appear to be a real SS according to the cal tag. Brakes are pulling a little to the right. But the car's got a lot going for it. A couple things we would have to do to it. All 4 gears shift good. Not a fan of the brakes. It drives pretty good. If this had power brakes, that's the only negative about this car. Everything else is nice. It needs a good detail. Like all the gauges are working. Horn don't work, rear tail lights don't work. It's a couple little things, nothing major. We'll swing around right here. Okay, get on it a little bit here. I wouldn't want to go crazy with it. We don't own the car yet, but it's got a little bit of nice power on it. It drives good, sounds good. Like I said, a couple little things we got to get done to this car. Nothing major. Fix the tail lights. Make sure the turn signals in the rear work. Clean the interior. A few things and she'll be up. Fix this horn. I think we got a winner here, guys. It's a nice car. It's got good power. I got up on it a little bit, and the back end wants to get loose a little bit.
Wants to go.
Yeah, I like it. There's not much to not like about a first generation Camaro in this color.
Yeah, it definitely has a nice color.
I guess attend to business.
Yes.
Yeah, we got a deal, sir.
All right.
Yeah, cool.
Sounds good, guy.
Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA.